टू माय चैनल। जैसे कि आपने टैगलाइन देख के समझ ही गए होंगे कि हम लोग किसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं कि प्राइजेस गोल्ड के इतने बढ़ क्यों रहे हैं एक्चुअली में। सो लेट्स गो टू द टाइटल, व्हाई गोल्ड प्राइजेस आर सोअरिंग हाई। Gold prices are shooting up and everybody is talking about it. But why is it this happening? In this video, let us break down the key reason behind the rally in gold and what it means for you as an investor. Let us first talk about the central bank policies. One big reason is central bank policy. When interest rates are super low, people don't earn much for saving or bond. That make gold attractive. Plus, when central bank pump up more money into the system through programs like quantitative easing, it creates extra liquidity. This can weaken the currency, but gold helps preserve value. So, low interest rate, more money supply and current database all make gold shine brighter. Next is economic uncertainty. Economic uncertainty plays a huge role. When stock markets swing widely, investors look something stable, and gold has always been the safe haven. Fear of recession also increased the demand of precious metal. On top of that, investor uses gold to protect their profile and reduce financial risk. So when the economy feels shaky, gold becomes the go-to choice. Next, we come to the inflation concern. Another major factor is inflation. When the cost of living rises, value of money drops, but gold value tends to hold strong. For example, when inflation hit 8.5%, the highest in 40 years, gold demand spiked. At the same time, bond lost almost 25% of their value after inflation adjustment. This made gold attractive hedge against prices. Next is dollar weakness. Gold is closely tied to a US dollar. When the dollar weakens, gold price usually go up. That's because it becomes cheaper for foreign investor to buy gold. So a weak dollar boosts international demand and help gold maintain its purchasing power globally. Simply put, if dollars struggle, gold gains. Future outlook. So what does the future look like for gold? Several factors suggest prices could stay high. Persistent inflation keep gold attractive as hedge. Central banks are still buying more gold. Geopolitical tension around the world pushes investors towards safe assets. Limited gold supply also plays a major role, and more portfolio now see gold as an essential asset. All of this combined means gold rally may continue for a long time. So why the gold prices are soaring? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial insight. Let me know the comment. Do you think gold will keep climbing or it is due for a slowdown? Thank you.